Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, January 13th, 2022. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuned with us for your TF headlines. Let's jump into the weather because it's looking awesome. Even the cow in the background here is saying it's going to be moolicious. Okay, that was bad. I'm going to say this. The weather temperatures are going to get to near normal for the first time in a few weeks. That's what the National Weather Service is saying. But don't let that bum you out because above normal temperatures will return for the weekend. Dry conditions are expected until Monday. That's right. We're going to stay dry and we're going to stay above normal after today. Today highs in about 30. Well, maybe right at freezing mark. We'll see how that plays out. But look to the next couple of days. It's going to be 34 to 37 on Saturday and maybe 40s on Sunday. Can't complain. Monday, you're looking at 45 in some rain showers. So we'll see what happens. But the outlook, too, is looking like we're going to have above normal temperatures continue here. Or what I would say is above the normal temps that we face during this time of year, which is usually cold weather and sometimes snow, but seems more not. It's been cold weather throughout the years, but we'll take what we can get. Holiday closure to tell you about. City Hall, Senior Center, Community Center, we're all going to be closed on Monday. That's right, we'll be closed Monday, January 16th, reopening January 17th. That's a Tuesday. In the meantime, property taxes can still be dropped off at the drop box located in the foyer at City Hall. Please no cash payments in the drop box, though, when you do stop by. And, of course, you can mail them in as well here to City Hall. Holiday tree pickup starts on Monday. The holiday tree pickup is scheduled for the week of the 16th. Please have your trees out at the curbside by 6:30 a.m. on Monday of the pickup week. The schedule pickups can be dependent on weather, and we might see some rain on Monday there. So we'll have to keep an eye out on that. But if you're interested in getting rid of that tree that you had up for the holidays, you better do it and get it out to the curbside. You're going to have to find another way of getting rid of it. Turning our attention to a joint law enforcement operation in regards to stolen vehicles. Yesterday, January 12th, we had 13 area law enforcements, including the Fitchburg Police Department, join in a proactive traffic operation. During the 4-hour operation, several traffic stops were done, ultimately resulting in arrest of 2 individuals and recovery of a stolen vehicle and a recovery of a firearm. Jerome Jones, age 20, was arrested on several outstanding warrants, and Jeremy D. Johnson, age 33, was arrested for several different offenses. A stolen vehicle driven by a juvenile was recovered. The driver fled on foot and was apprehended a short time later. Face smile handgun was recovered in the stolen vehicle. From this operation, and a few reminders, remember to secure your vehicles, including garage doors as well. Remove valuables, firearms, keys, and garage door openers from your vehicle, even when parked in the driveway. Citizens are reminded not to leave their vehicles running and unattended. And it's noted here, and we've said this on the show before, but stolen vehicles have been used during the commission of other crimes in the area, including gas drive-offs, thefts, burglaries, drug dealing, and shots fired incidences. So please make sure you double check that you have things locked up and don't leave things in your vehicle overnight. We've got a couple other events to tell you about coming up. First, at the Fitchburg Public Library, they have their Wednesday book discussion coming up. This will be on Wednesday, January 18th. It starts at 10 a.m., and you'll be upstairs in the meeting room discussing Claire Massoud. If I'm saying that right, of course, my staff will let me know if I didn't, but that's at the public meeting room there on the 18th. And finally, over at the Recreation Department, they have some fly tying classes coming up. These are free seminars that are starting real soon. In fact, on Wednesday, January 18th will be the next one. The Southern Wisconsin chapter of Trout Unlimited invites you to learn fly tying or improve your tying skills this winter. Classes consist of instructor-led demonstrations and hands-on tutorials. The courses are completely free of charge, and all materials needed in the class are provided. You will only need to provide thread, and that is needed for fly tying and some fly tying tools. A list of those items are online at the Recreation Department's website, fitchburgwi.gov. Click on Recreation, and have a great weekend.